Hi there. Well, following on from my post yesterday about the secrets, if you like, of how to learn pressure points, I've had a lot of people email me asking for more questions and things like that, and a little bit more of an update as to the best way to learn pressure points. Well, it's like anything really. The best way to learn is to practice and actually do it. Many times people will say to me they want to be a fighter and what's the best way to learn? Well, fine, it's that simple. So the best way to learn it, once you've got an understanding of where they are and how they work, is to actually utilize them and train them within your art, because that is the best way to learn. There's no substitute for actually doing it. If you want to learn how to do a roundhouse kick really well, you practice roundhouse kicks. If you want to learn to do a great right cross, you practice a right cross. So it's the same with pressure points. If you want to learn to be good at them, you have to train them and apply them and use them. Now, utilizing the methods that we talk about, you will learn them very, very quickly. Once people understand that it's not that difficult to learn and that it can be accomplished very, very easily, very, very quickly, as long as you follow the steps that we give, then it's going to be, you're going to learn it as fast as lightning. And the skills, if you like, they're going to be just a little bit frightening. In fact, you could probably make a song out of that.
Everybody is pressure point fighting. They learned as fast as the lightning. Yeah. Their skills are a little bit frightening. And they strike with expert timing. It started with funky China monks from funky Chinatown. They were setting them up. They were striking them down. Ancient Chinese art, now you can know your part. From a lock to a choke, you can beat up any bloke. Everybody is pressure point fighting. They learned as fast as the lightning. Yeah. Their skills are a little bit frightening. And they strike with expert timing.
Well, I hope you like that little bit of fun. But on a more serious note, the best way to learn is to learn. And we give you step-by-step guides of how to learn. And that is a way that's proven to work with everybody, no matter what level you're currently at. It doesn't matter if you're fairly new to martial arts, you can learn this. It doesn't matter if you've been doing martial arts for 20, 30 years. Following these steps, you will be able to add pressure points and how we apply them to your art very, very quickly and very, very easily. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that bit of fun, and hope the information worked for you. Thanks a lot.